Welcome back, and in today's video I have something new. So today we're taking a look at this brand new Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 laptop, and this guy is actually pretty fast. Now I've been using this guy from quite some time, and this is actually awesome. So what you're looking at right now is the box. So let's quickly go ahead and look what's inside the box. So inside the box, you've got to turn it around like this, and you're gonna notice this little flap. So you'll pull it out, and then pull this guy out, and the very first glimpse is of the laptop. Now on this side, let's just check out. So we get the charger, and that's an empty part, and in there you actually get the laptop. Alright, so let me just have the laptop move to a new location. So you must be wondering, what is this laptop like? So it's a platinum gray, and of course you did check out the specs earlier. So first thing you're gonna do is remove these guys, and then you're gonna have to remove this thing like this. These are basically the thermocol sheets which are used for protection. Now you're gonna have to get the laptop out of this plastic covering, so I'll just get that out and then I'll meet you again. So guys, I'm done with unboxing the laptop, and I did just simulate what it is like. There's not much of stuff in the box, but then you get the laptop, charger, and some manuals. So let's first take a look at the charger. So it comes in plastic wrapper again, and this is a standard 65-watt charger. Now it's a 2-pin charger, so you're gonna find out slots for it easily, and it's the thin point, if you're noticing it. I'll just have the plastic thrown away because we shouldn't really be using plastic. Anyways, so this laptop is actually pretty good. Comes with AMD Ryzen 3 and AMD Radeon Vega graphics, which is basically more like a gaming laptop. So now let's dive deeper into this guy. So it's not one hand openable. That means you're going to be having to use both of your hands. On opening the lid, the power button is automatically triggered and it turns on the laptop on its own. Now this is an optional setting which you can change back again later. But for now, if you're looking at it, it automatically turns on, and this is actually a pretty cool thing. It's more like what it is when you open up a MacBook for the first time. Now you can notice that there is the AMD Ryzen 3 sticker and the AMD Radeon graphics sticker. It's an AMD Radeon Vega graphics. It's an integrated one which uses 2 GB out of your RAM, and it has 8 GB of RAM soldered into it, and there's one RAM port free. And the keyboard is a nice, very good feeling keyboard. It's a full-size keyboard along with the numerical keypad. It's not a backlit keyboard, and that is one downside of it, but the caps lock fortunately has a backlight on it, as well as a numlock. These have the indicators. Now there are no more indicators on the keyboard. Now let's talk more about the keyboard. So we get a little bit more of travel than what you get in a usual keyboard, but it's really satisfying. And not only that, but the keycaps are bigger than what they are in normal laptops, and that's actually easier for people who have little difficulty in viewing. So it's easier for them to click on these, and these easily fit under your thumb, and it's really comfortable. Now coming to the trackpad. So the trackpad is a full-size trackpad. It's pretty huge. You can press these, you can press them anywhere, and if you press them with both of your fingers, then that's going to trigger out the left mouse button, and you also get the feature over here and over here, and touching is allowed. So it's more like a multitasking touchpad. So now we come to the display. The display is amazing. It's a full HD and supports 4K resolution. It's 15.6-inch display, which means it's more good. And the camera is also pretty good, and it has two microphones, one over here, one over here. It has a privacy camera shutter over here, if you can notice it. Yeah, so it has a privacy camera shutter, and you get these controls on your keyboard as well. So looking at the multimedia functions, a mute, a volume control, microphone, privacy disabling, so that's going to disable the microphone. There's a refresh button, that's the disabling touchpad and enabling it. That's a airplane mode, disabling camera, lock button, secondary display button, and then the brightness controls, and then that's the remaining thing. And in the numerical keypad section you get the media control keys. Now coming back at the display, if you notice pretty well, it's an amazing display, and it of course supports 4K resolution, and it's also an anti-glare screen, which means light's not going to do anything to your screen. It's amazing. Now what we're going to do is, it's really fast. Now this guy comes with 1 TB HDD, not SSD, but it's upgradable, and it comes with 8 gigs of RAM with an AMD Ryzen 3. We've already talked about it. Now the battery life, so the battery life is pretty good. It's 2-cell battery, and this guy over here has a huge battery life, lasts up to 5 to 6 hours, and it has 3 function modes. So when we talk about the function modes, all you're gonna do is press FN plus Q right there, and you notice it starts changing modes. So this is the performance mode, the extreme performance mode, the intelligent cooling mode, and the battery saver mode. That's pretty cool. I'm going to leave it at the extreme function mode while it's charging. Now coming back to the ports, I'm just going to have the screen go down, and let's take a good look at the ports. So in the port selection over here, we get a charging port, the charging indicator, HDMI, USB 2, USB 3, USB 3, and the laptop power status indicator. Now let's try to get on the other side. And on the other side you're going to notice an SD card, the Novo pin button, and an headphone and microphone combination jack. Now the Novo is basically used for recovery. Now let's go on the underside of the laptop, and this is the vent, and over here you'll find out the fan and the other stuff over here. These are some genuine stickers, and you get a lot of screws, and these are good rubber pads to hold your laptop in place and stop it from slipping. Now coming down over here, you're going to find out 2 speaker grills. The speakers are extremely loud, and in a few more days, as I keep reviewing this guy, I'm going to also have a loud test, a speaker test, and you're going to actually get to know how loud he is. Now one good feature about this thing that I like is, one thing, it turns on its own. That's a good thing. Now the second thing is the air intake and the air exhaust fans are located over here. If you could notice, these are the ventilation grills of this guy, and there we go. So the air goes intake from here and exhausts from there, and the fans are also on that side. Now another cool feature is, this guy can go 180 degrees, or should I say 178 degrees. That's cool. Now let's once again bring it back up, and this is just amazing. Look at that. So this is the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 Slim 15ADA05, which is about 1.5 or 1.6 kgs, extremely light, portable, does heavy tasking. You can play games on it, you can do video editing like I'm going to be editing this video you're watching right now on this guy. And I would also like to apologize for not having that good of a video quality, because I'm currently shooting this on my phone, as my camera's batteries have run out, so I'm gonna have to get new ones. But for now, this is what you're gonna have to deal with, and I apologize. But hope you enjoyed the video, and I will also be giving out further reviews. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.